You're about to miss the biggest shift in real estate investing in the last 50 years, and most beginners have absolutely no idea it's even happening right now. I'm not talking about interest rates. I'm not talking about housing market crashes or some secret neighborhood that's about to blow up. I'm talking about artificial intelligence completely rewiring how people find deals, analyze properties, manage tenants, and build wealth through real estate. And the people who figure this out early will have an almost unfair advantage over everyone else who's still doing things the old way. So if you're new to real estate investing or you've been thinking about getting started, this video might be the most important thing you watch all year because the rules are changing fast, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what AI is doing to this industry, why it matters for beginners specifically, and how you can start using these tools before the window closes. Let's talk about the problem first. Real estate has always had a barrier to entry that had nothing to do with money. Sure, capital matters, but the bigger wall most beginners hit is information. How do you know if a property is a good deal? How do you run the numbers correctly? How do you figure out what a neighborhood is going to look like in 5 years? Traditionally, you needed years of experience or access to someone who had it. A mentor, a partner, an expensive course, a real estate agent who actually knew what they were talking about. Most beginners had none of that. They either made expensive mistakes or they never got started at all. AI is breaking that wall down piece by piece. Let's start with deal analysis, because this is where beginners waste the most time and make the most mistakes. Analyzing a rental property used to mean pulling spreadsheets, estimating expenses, researching comparable rents, calculating cap rates, and doing it all while trying not to miss something critical. It took hours per property, and if you got one variable wrong, your whole projection was off. Now there are AI-powered tools that can pull comparable rental data, estimate repair costs based on property age and condition, calculate cash-on-cash return, and flag potential red flags all in minutes. Some platforms are even integrating AI that learns from thousands of real transactions to give you benchmarks you simply couldn't access before as a beginner. This doesn't mean AI is always right, but it dramatically lowers the cost of being wrong early. You can run 50 deals in the time it used to take to analyze 5. And when you're a beginner, volume of analysis is how you develop your eye for a good deal. Now here's something most people aren't talking about yet. Predictive analytics. AI systems are being trained on massive data sets, property values, crime trends, school ratings, job growth, infrastructure investment, population movement, and they're getting genuinely good at identifying neighborhoods that are on the verge of appreciating. Not just describing what already happened, but forecasting where value is likely to grow. For a beginner who doesn't have 20 years of market intuition, having access to this kind of data-driven insight is a serious game changer. You're essentially borrowing pattern recognition that once took decades to develop. And it gets more practical than that. Think about tenant screening. One of the scariest parts of becoming a landlord for the first time is picking the wrong tenant. Evictions are expensive, stressful, and time-consuming. AI screening tools can now analyze applicant data far more comprehensively than a basic credit check, examining behavioral patterns, rental history consistency, and financial stability trends, and surfacing risk signals that a landlord might miss on their own. This doesn't replace your judgment, but it gives you a much stronger foundation for making decisions. Property management is being transformed too. AI chatbots can now handle maintenance requests, answer tenant questions, schedule vendors, and even send automated follow-ups all without you lifting a finger. For a beginner managing their first 1 or 2 units, this is like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. You reduce the operational burden dramatically, which means you can actually focus on growing your portfolio instead of drowning in day-to-day landlord tasks. Let's talk about something that hits even closer to home for beginners finding the deals in the first place. Traditionally, off-market deals, the ones where you can actually buy below market value, require deep local networks built over years, driving for dollars. Cold calling, direct mail campaigns, a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of rejection. AI is changing the prospecting game in a real way. Machine learning models can now identify properties with a high likelihood of selling soon by analyzing factors such as delinquent taxes, absentee ownership, utility shutoffs, code violations, and even social signals. Beginners who plug into these tools have access to deal flow that would have been completely invisible to them just 5 years ago. Now I want to stop here and give you a reality check, because this is where I see a lot of beginners go wrong. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your brain. The investors who are winning with AI aren't the ones who just outsource every decision to an algorithm. They're the ones who use AI to work faster, gather better information, and reduce blind spots, but they still do the work of understanding their market, building relationships, and making judgment calls. AI will surface a potential deal. You still have to walk the property. AI will estimate repair costs. You still need to get real contractor quotes. The tool amplifies your effort. It doesn't replace it. Here's the emotional truth underneath all of this. Real estate investing has always been sold as something that requires insider access. You needed the right connections, the right mentor, the right market knowledge, things that felt out of reach for most regular people. What AI is doing at its core is democratizing access to information and analysis that used to live only with experienced professionals. That is genuinely exciting if you're just starting out. The playing field isn't perfectly level yet, but it's closer than it has ever been. There's also a window here worth acknowledging. The investors who learned how to use the internet for real estate research in the early 2000s had a massive edge. Those who figured out how to leverage social media to market rental properties early had an edge. Right now, in 2026, the people building fluency with AI tools for real estate are in that same early mover position. Not because AI is magic, but because most investors, including experienced ones, are still doing things the old way out of habit or skepticism. Your inexperience as a beginner might actually be an advantage here. You don't have years of old habits to unlearn. So what should you actually do with all of this? First, start exploring AI-powered real estate platforms that offer deal analysis and market data. Get comfortable with the tools before you need them. Second, pay attention to how AI is changing property management even if you're not a landlord yet. Understanding these tools will shape how you evaluate the operational side of any property you consider buying. Third, study predictive market data. Look at the neighborhoods these systems are flagging and compare them against what you observe on the ground. Start training your own judgment alongside the tools. And fourth, never let AI be the last word on any decision. Use it as a starting point, not an endpoint. The investors who thrive in the next decade are not going to be the ones who work the hardest in the traditional sense. Real estate has always rewarded people who showed up prepared. AI just changed what prepared looks like. The question is whether you're going to adapt now while the advantage is still there, or wait until everyone else already has.